Gold is up 5%, silver is up 4%, crude oil is up 7%, copper is up 2%, and now we have platinum that is broken out 3% in the last week. Back-to-back opportunities here to take advantage of the massive fire sale that we had just over a week and a half ago on the precious metals to load up those positions, take advantage of the huge cascading sell-off to the downside, be greedy when others are fearful, and now our main job is to continue to scale out and bank on strength and bank a windfall amount of profit with you and all of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. Even at the start of the week, we further highlighted to you opportunities on platinum, which was trading back down at $880 per ounce, alongside palladium, which had broken down to $1,130 per ounce. Platinum now back above $915 per ounce. Nice slingshot move alongside copper as well. And of course, we have crude oil prices, which have accelerated off the back of the current Middle East conflict. Brent crude oil trading back above $90 per barrel. Great opportunities last week to be buying WTI crude oil back down towards $83, $84 per barrel. In fact, even on Monday, oil dipped back down towards $84 a barrel, giving you a great opportunity to build a position. It's currently trading just below $88 per barrel for WTI crude oil. Now, all of this, of course, we've telegraphed to you way ahead of time. Many of you have reached out, and thank you again, all of the comments and contributions. Many of you have absolutely crushed it. You've also banked a windfall amount of profit. You know, of course, that we've been banging the drum here that gold was a massive buy opportunity at the 1830s, the 1820s. It even broke down as low as $1,810 per ounce a week and a half ago. You've got gold miners at the moment, GDX breaking out of a very large channel right now. And we're starting to see acceleration on silver now, back of course above $23 per ounce. Gold right now is trading at $1,940 per ounce. This puts some of our lowest positions currently up over 1,200 points here in the matter of just a week and a half. So you know the calculation, but for every one lot contract that you would be trading, 1,000 point breakout to the upside, that would equate to $10,000 of profit per contract. Every 10 lot contract that you would be trading, many of you do trade at this level, then you're going to be banking over $100,000 of profit. Many of you have generated over 5, 6, and even 7-figure returns in the last week and a half. This comes back to the point, the bigger the sell-off, the bigger the subsequent rally. Now, some of you have commented that instead of taking the staircase up here for gold, it has indeed taken the elevator up with this slingshot move higher. Everything that we anticipated with you previously. Of course, this was further accelerated by the current conflict that we have in the Middle East, but we already had the setup for the end of quarter profit taking. China off on a 1-week public holiday, lack of liquidity in the market. We saw that cascading to the sell-off across gold, silver, palladium, platinum, crude oil. Massive buy opportunities right into the Friday's non-farm payroll. Everything then gapped higher on the Sunday open, and since then we've just seen an absolute impulse move to the upside here, which has just generated a windfall amount of profit. Comes back to the point that Goldman Sachs have been making, that it is now the golden age of trading. If you're not making money at the moment in commodities, you absolutely should be. I'm sure if you watch this channel, you've absolutely crushed it. Thank you again. We've been inundated with your comments, with your contributions. I'm so happy. Many of you absolutely crushed it and caught the move, because many didn't. The hedge funds and money managers, we can see all of the data. They got liquidated on the cascading sell-off to the downside on multiple metals. In fact, they're more selling short than they are positioned long at the moment, and they've now missed the biggest one-day move this year for the metals, more specifically for gold. Friday, it was the biggest one-day move on gold since March earlier on this year when Russia invaded Ukraine. We've seen a similar playbook again here play out with the acceleration to the upside into safe havens here. And of course, gold, silver have benefited, but there has still been time here at the beginning of the week to start building out further trades on platinum. I mentioned it multiple times before. Platinum below $900 per ounce. It's currently breaking out back towards $915 per ounce. So again, I congratulate many of you out there who watch this channel who've also absolutely crushed it over the last couple of weeks here. And again, this really does come down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Now, of course, you want to utilize experience in the markets with trading commodities to further really compound this and make the most of it when you are gifted with commodities on such a fire sale here, which provided huge opportunities here to capitalize and book a windfall amount of profit just within the matter of a week and a half. Then further compound this with the real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity, the daily cycle, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycle. This will help you massively with your pinpoint entries and knowing as well when to bank those windfall amount of profits. To further align this with the narratives, of course, the geopolitics, the fundamentals, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and of course how the banks, the hedge funds, the money managers, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.